Welcome back to my channel. Hope you are having an amazing time. Today I'm presenting you a little tour of my man cave where I sim drift and edit all my videos. A little bit about myself. I started flying and building RC helicopters of size 600 back in 2010. Then in 2013 I started another hobby of drifting RC cars to 1/10 scale. I have also painted all the drift cars that you see on the video except the R35 GTR, which my friend did it for me. His name is Russ from RE Extreme RC. Then in 2016 we jumped on simulator drifting with a basic Logitech wheel and PS4, which wasn't enough for me. And after a few months we thought we might try different, and then we started building PC for ourselves. And also I went with the Fanatec gears and Husing Weld handbrake with a STC Vibe Pro VR, as well as my PC is fairly basic with a 16 GB of RAM and 1070 graphics card. I edit all my videos on iMac 2015 with the Samsung T5 SSD 1TB, which I use it for editing all my videos. If you have any questions, please let me know on the comment below, and hope you watch it and like my video. See you on the next one. Thank you.